All right. So I am a product manager, one of the product managers for Marchex, and we are a call analytics company. Now, don't pay attention to the blue. Didn't read the directions. A little awkward on stage. But today, I'm going to be talking about relationships. Ugh, such a fun topic, conversation. Don't we all like to hear the words, we need to talk? A lot of things go through our minds, right? It's not you, it's me. Or maybe you're not listening to me. Or how about this one? I know everybody's heard this one is, oh gosh, I just forgot it, but this one's a great one. It's like, I swear I told you this earlier. We've all heard that. We've all had those discussions. And it's like, why do relationships have to be so hard? Why can't it just be super easy? It's like, I like you, hopefully you like me, and we're all happy. But when we go into our workplace, we have a similar type of relationship, right? We have this bond with our team, and most of the time we're working really well together. Everybody's working in blissful harmony most of the time. And we're communicating with each other, we're listening to each other, and then we have some of those days where it's just like, we need to have the talk. And what is it that you're supposed to do, right? You get this clash between your devs and your PMs. And it's basically, as a dev, you hear, you're not listening to me. And it's basically, they have their own thoughts, they have their own ideas, they want to do their own thing, and they have great ideas, but they're just not being heard. And of course, the PM is like, I just need my stuff delivered, just give me my stuff. And we're surprised that, the team is surprised that they've got a delivery date. It's like, what? We're expected to deliver at this time? So what do we do? How do we work together? Our first question is basically, who are we? We're Marchex. And basically, Marchex helps marketers really understand the online to offline consumer journey. Right now, there are consumers right now are spending over $300 billion online. 93 cents out of every dollar, though, is being spent offline, either in a store or over a phone call. And so what we decided to do, what we thought is like, well, how can we give this information to our customers? What's the important information we need to give them? And basically, Marchex, we basically connect the call to the media that drove that call. And we put all that data together, and we give our customers the ability, and we give them that data in order to optimize and basically improve their return on investment. There's a lot of information around a simple call, and making that connection from an online to offline, very, very difficult. Oops. So what is it that we do? So this huge task that we're given as a team is basically to provide really powerful tools to our customers to really help them understand and make those really good decisions based off of the data that we provide for them. So how do we do that as a team? We basically have a term called Kohio. And basically, it's, as you can see, it's keep our house in order. A clean home is a happy home, right? I don't know anybody that enjoys living in a really, really messy home. So we believe our code base is the same way. We treat our code the same. So the relationship between a dev and a PM, without arguing, we need to understand as PMs to give their dev teams that time and that space to clean their house, regularly clean their house. And yes, we may miss our milestones and we may miss some deadlines, but what we do is we help our dev teams work faster, produce solid code, and make them more confident in what they're delivering. And this helps us basically work well together. We deliver the products on time, and not only that, we really make our customers happy. And with this, with this relationship that we have where we're not always battling and we understand this, we really are right now making a lot of really cool tools. Thank you. Questions? All right. Okay. Oh. No, you don't get a question. No, I'm just kidding. That is a great question. It's encouraging and it's challenging at the same time. It's challenging because there are fewer females and the voices of a female it's very limited, and it's very, very hard with the size of development that we have in our company. But it's really encouraging knowing that because there is a female on the engineering side in this position, that we can help encourage more females into this role and try to grow it within our company. So that part is encouraging, and that's what we got to focus on is, like how can we help get more females in these roles? Thanks for the question. Yes?
How do you monetize this information that you're collecting and sharing?
So what we do is we have sprints, and we put a specific velocity towards each sprint, the stories that the developers are working on. And you can, time over time, sprint after sprint, whether it's 1 week, 2 week, you can basically see the increase in the velocity the team has. And it's even despite the complexity of the stories, the cleaner their house is and the cleaner their code is, the less they have to struggle trying to clean everything up. And we've seen sprint after sprint after sprint that slowly they increase their velocity by a story, by a few points. So we do it by a point system. And so we can put a graph together, but to monetize it though, it's in the delivery of the products that we give to our customers. And delivering it on time is one of the biggest things. And through that, we can basically monetize all the features that we can develop faster and deliver faster.
One more question?
Yes. I started off as a tech lead at Marchex. I was a tech lead over multiple teams, and I paired with the developers, helped them write tests and so forth. And then I started basically working alongside with the business side, and I started understanding the needs that the business team had and understanding the needs of the needs of the development team. And they weren't getting along, and they never got along. And I felt like it was a great opportunity to know the tech side and to start knowing and understanding the business side, and especially as being a female between the development side, which is majority men right now temporarily. But then it was just that bond that you could build the relationships between both sides and be a good representative of both sides and help the dev team understand what the business side needs and help the business side understand the challenges that the dev teams are dealing with.